Welcome back. I am alive, believe it or not. Just getting a Whopper from our lovely Burger King. Bike's just been in for an MOT. I've just been stored up over winter really, because the weather has been dog shit. It's been for like a month non-stop, honestly, and this is like the first day it's let up, but them clouds don't look good, so I'm going home. Quick update, I'm alive, bike's running good, this summer's going to be good. Got some rides planned, it's going to be good. And these, I got new gloves and they're annoying. Oh yes. Whopper time, whopper time, whopper time, whopper time. Now that was just cheeky. Cheeky chappy. Shitting Peugeot.
Ricky! You got your McDonald's?
I did, and it was disappointing as always.
Yeah!
Jesus fucking Christ. I'm staying on this side. That was massive. I'm gonna need new fork seals. No. After you. You guys turning right. It's a tough junction. And it's the engine bay in that car is massive. One day I'll be able to say a sentence without stuttering. Oh, I just did. See, nice people live here. Comes through a red light and then flicks me off. See if anyone runs it. Amber. Red.